welcome back to another video. I am tired. I did not sleep. I did not sleep at all this night. And it's okay because today I wanted to film my day because it's gonna be a very heavy day. I just woke up at 5 a.m. again because I couldn't sleep. Did an exam I had to do, and now just realized my life is a mess. Mess over there, mess over there, mess over there, mess everywhere. Why not start the day over and just be really productive we have a very big day and it's my last day living alone, so I said, okay, let's film this day, do a vlog and just show you my day, show you how my life is. We have a long to-do list ahead of us. Wax my legs, sell my clothes, clean this apartment, have breakfast, buy Christmas presents, like do all the content and administration stuff I need to do. So let's start the day. I think I can't move forward without any sort of energy, so I'm gonna get breakfast and I have the perfect idea in my mind. The streets are literally empty. It's Saturday morning, it's 9 a.m. Here's my outfit. It's not the sunniest day of all, but I mean, oh well, it's okay. Let's get breakfast, I'm hungry. I took a croissant as a French normal girl would do, but actually here it's different. It's called media luna and inside it's dulce de leche. Big cup of coffee for a big day ahead. So here's my little croissant. As you can see, dulce de leche, media luna. It's a bit, it looks divine. Very sticky. It's not the healthiest breakfast of all, but I need the sweet, I need that energy, okay? That rush of sugar, much needed. Kind of like French breakfast, but the Argentinian way. Okay, makeup is now done. I mean, I did something very clean, girl, no mascara. Very simple, just to give me a little color for the day. And right now, well, this table is a mess, you know, I'm not that clean of a girl. I look like it, but I'm not, and that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is clean this mess, basically, just organize my life. It is looking way better. Now I have everything prepped up. As I said, something I wanted to do today on my to-do list is wax my legs, because in here summer is coming, so it means more shorts, more skirt, more everything. So let's do this. Also, just a reminder, this is completely optional. This is what I like to do. This is a form for me to pamper myself. So if you don't feel the need to wax your leg, there's no pressure. This is not to fit societal standards, okay? I just like my legs like this. Everyone has their own preferences. And so what time is it? It's 10:30. I hope at 11:20 I'm gonna hopefully sell my clothes, because I have too many clothes. I did a closet clean out and it went well. So we're gonna either donate or sell. We're gonna see. But right now, legs. My technique is first you scrub, so you remove all the dead skin and impurities, and then once your skin is dry, clean. Oh, did it just remove all my tan? Yes, it did. Pull it against the way your hair goes. Just made myself a cup of lemon tea because it's raining. I don't know what's happening with the weather. Now I'm gonna just work because I need to plan stuff for the future. 2026 is coming up, so I gotta be organized. I hope the rain's gonna stop, because otherwise I have to walk in the rain for my clothes. I came back completely wet. My hair is ruined and it was so clean. I'm actually mad. Funny story, I'm becoming Ariel. I forgot my hairbrush. So annoying. As you guys saw, I managed to sell and also donate a part of my wardrobe. I didn't know you could actually sell directly for a very small amount, but with the money I made, I bought myself some lunch because I'm very lazy to cook. And so we're gonna eat this in front of my Netflix series because I have been productive. But yeah, I'm gonna do my little lunch break and then get back to work. I need to plan for my next upcoming trips. I'm going to Brazil, you guys. So yes, I'm going to Brazil. I need to plan for Brazil. I need my parents, this has been on my bucket list forever. Doing New Year's Eve there, buying all the swimming suits, the jerseys, the Havaianas. Can't wait. But other than that, let's get to my lunch. Okay, my lunch is really depressing. It doesn't look good, but it smells good. It's like a mix of Chinese food. I needed to eat Chinese food. I was craving it, you know. I got my bread. Dark right now. I finished a lot of things. This has been a really long day since I woke up very early. Just did my planning. I just need to do more content creation. My day will be done. Not gonna lie, pretty tired. Spent a lot of time working on my computer, so I do have headaches. And then, as I planned, I needed to do some Christmas shopping and just shopping in general, because here the shops are so nice and the boutiques like make you want to buy everything, especially all the bikinis and t-shirts. Like, these dresses are crazy pretty, like the Ibiza vibe, a little bit sparkly, and the skirts. And so I did try on a few things, like this sparkly jean. I didn't have any jeans this kind of shape. And also look at these bedazzled pants. I mean, I love everything that's sparkly, so I don't mind. And then I was also on the search for anything basic tank tops. And so here is me trying on the jeans. At the end, I did not end up buying them, but they were really cute. And yeah, I went a little crazy and tried on this dress. I fell in love with it, but then you can see how the shape is totally not made for my body, so that's okay. I did not buy it. And lastly, dinner at a very, very good restaurant called Pagan, which is like Argentinian meat, and it was so good. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it.